22 people have died on St. Lucia's roads so far in 2024, the Department of Infrastructure, DIPT, recently reported. To address this alarming figure, the DIPT has contracted Fred's Engineering, an Italian firm hired by the St. Lucia government, to design and implement a social inclusive road safety public awareness campaign. Community Liaison Officer Tara Leonard Emmanuel stressed the importance of this partnership.
The government of St. Lucia is upgrading the Millennium Highway and West Coast Road with funding from the United Kingdom Caribbean Infrastructure Partnerships Fund, which is known as UKCIF, and the Caribbean Development Bank, CDB. The government recognizes the importance of road safety for human resource and economic development and the necessity of raising road safety awareness in the project area and nationally. This is to mitigate the risk of increased speeding on the newly paved road and improving road user behavior.
As part of a project to rehabilitate 49.2 kilometers of road from the Latok roundabout to Soufrière, officials aim to reduce St. Lucia's rising road fatalities with a robust public awareness campaign. Paulo Perigo, a traffic psychologist with the Traffic Psychology Unit at the Catholic University of Milan, noted glaring gaps in road safety practices during his visit.
It's a pleasure to be here. In this first week around this island, I already seen the beautiness of the nature, the ocean, the sky, everything is amazing. But at the same time, I'm seeing a big lack of road safety culture in every single moment that I'm walking around the roads. So we have a long path to do here, and I hope with the Fred Engineering team to do a great job.
The Fred Engineering team will be on the island for a 2-week mission to design the road safety awareness campaign. The campaign's execution is expected to take 18 months.
We want to get a better understanding of the road safety situation in St. Lucia so that we can collaboratively develop and implement a road safety campaign that is evidence-based and representative of stakeholders' feedback and inputs. We want to build relationships with key road safety stakeholders like the media so that we can get project buy-in from the public, private, and civil society stakeholders.
And Haywood George, a community survey specialist at Fred's Engineering, emphasized the importance of cross-sectoral stakeholder consultations in shaping the design of St. Lucia's road safety awareness campaign.
Inclusivity is crucial, so we are making sure that we meet with people with disabilities, women's organizations, transport sector organizations, elderly organizations, school principals, schools, and many other important road safety stakeholders. We're using both qualitative and quantitative research methods to gather data. For this mission, data is key, and we are emphasizing on combining qualitative data, which includes stakeholder consultations like semi-structured interviews and focus groups, and quantitative methods like naturalistic observations. So our team leader, Paulo Perigo, has been at the roundabouts, you might have seen him, and he's observing to see if people are wearing their seatbelts.
Anecdotal evidence suggests that speeding and alcohol use are major contributors to road accidents in St. Lucia, especially among younger drivers. Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre recently urged the public to drive safely and stop the madness on the nation's roads. In response, officials are now focusing on implementing concrete measures to change the island's road safety culture. Solange Alfred, HCS News Force.